What's up, everybody? We're back at it. We're back at it again. Another episode of Parking Lot Pimpin'. Dim Sum Poppy coming at you live, and I've really missed you guys. I want to thank you to all the new subscribers. If you like this video, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. If you don't like it, hey, then don't do it. It is what it is. Got a new t-shirt here. You really ain't made it until you got your face on a shirt. My sister got this made for me. What do you guys think? Maybe I'll get some more made and send them out to the subscribers here soon. But we got a review today. Got some McDonald's. Now, McDonald's and I go back. You know, it's had my back a long time. When I didn't have no money, and I mean, I still don't got no money, so it still got my back. But they've come out with a spicy, or with a crispy chicken sandwich. They've joined the food wars of crispy chicken sandwiches. You know, we had a lot of beefing going on in the fast food game between Popeyes, Chick-fil-A, who's got the best one. Popeyes chicken sandwich, I think, is freaking banging. Chick-fil-A, obviously, everyone really likes Chick-fil-A's chicken sandwich. It's really good. By where I live at, down in the southeast region of the United States, we got a place called PDQ, which I think their chicken sandwich is the best in the fast food game right now. So McDonald's has entered the fray. So let's see what it's all about. But hey, Dim Sum Poppy, enough with the ear beating, enough with the chit chat. Let's get right into the food, right? They came out with 3 crispy chicken sandwiches. One, just a crispy chicken sandwich. One, the deluxe with the lettuce, tomato, pickle, mayo on it, I believe. And a spicy crispy chicken sandwich. And you guys already know Dim Sum Poppy's a spicy guy. So that's what we're going to start out with today. Now, I've always been amazed at these places that they want their crispy chicken to be crispy, and then they put it in a little steam bag here. I've always been amazed at that. I mean, it keeps it warm, yeah, but you're just immediately, I mean, what else are you going to do? Put it in a box? I mean, I don't know. It's tough. It's really tough, right? So here's the sandwich. You got the crispy chicken patty. The bun's got a good little shine to it, a nice little sheen. You see the sauce coming out the edge. That's okay. We like sauce, right? That's okay that the sauce is kind of leaking out the side. I ain't mad. You kind of expect it's going to get on your face when you're dealing with fast food. So they put sauce on underneath the chicken and sauce above the chicken. And then there's 2 pickles on it. I'm a pickle guy. I freaking love pickles. You're only putting 2 pickles on there. That's not very special, is it? It's just 2, but whatever. Let's give it a shot here. Interesting. It's not so bad. It's not that great either. Let me take one more bite, and then we're really going to dissect this one. All right, so this is a spicy, crispy chicken sandwich. Is it very spicy? No, not really. You know, my spice level is a little different than most people. I want it to like kill me. I understand when you're trying to mass produce to all these people, you can't make it too spicy, right? But even then, still, I think we're in the foodie age. Like, if you're gonna say something spicy, like, let's make it spicy. You already have 2 other options. You have the plain crispy chicken sandwich, or you could get the deluxe one. At least make the spicy one spicy. Like, let's get a little sweat on the upper lip. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's get a little sweating going on. The pickles, if you're gonna make a sandwich where it's just bun, meat, sauce, pickle, the pickles I think got to be a little thicker cut. They got to kind of stand out a bit more. They got to be a little bit more special, right? The sauce itself, I mean, don't get me wrong, it's a tasty sandwich. It's a tasty sandwich. I can't wait to finish it. But it's not very crispy, and the sauce isn't very spicy. That's all I'm saying. And those are the 2 words, and those are the first 2 words of the name of the menu item. The chicken itself, I mean, obviously it's real chicken. It's pretty moist. It's okay. Here's the deluxe crispy chicken. So this one is the crispy chicken sandwich. The bun appears to be the same. lettuce, Roma tomatoes, mayonnaise. This iceberg lettuce is a, oh man, it's so tough to see in here. But the iceberg lettuce is a little beat up, a little brown and wilted. These Roma tomatoes, they look okay. Mayonnaise on top, not underneath. And that's what it looks like, the whole thing there. Let's give it a bite, huh? All right, so again, not really super impressed. I mean, it's a chicken sandwich. Like, it doesn't even taste much different from the old chicken sandwich that they were doing. So like, if this was a this was an opportunity to really enter the fray, enter the war when it comes to crispy chicken sandwiches and fast food, and in my opinion, they kind of fell short. They had a big opportunity here to blow us away with something impressive. And if you got Popeyes, Chick-fil-A, PDQ, I got a Jollibee down the street I could get a chicken sandwich from. Honestly, McDonald's is sitting in last place. And you know, I read an article somewhere that they spent 7 years trying to get this thing right. 7 years. I'm sorry. I'm really not trying to be a hater. I hate to leave a bad review, but this wasn't. I was expecting something a little bit more special. This is just okay. For the price point, the spicy crispy chicken was just like $4, maybe $4.25. So I think that's good. I think it's fair. And it's definitely tasty. Don't get me wrong, it's tasty. All I'm saying is that when it comes to trying to compete with all these other places that are doing the crispy chicken sandwich right now, it's just not there. It's just not there. So you heard it here first. Dim Sum Poppy, not super impressed with the crispy chicken sandwich. But hey, stay tuned for more. Stay tuned for more. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see all you guys again very soon with a Filipino food review next. And I'm not talking Filipino fast food. I mean like some real Filipino food for all my wonderful Filipino subscribers out there. I love you guys. Dim Sum Poppy out. Peace.